This is my BESSEY 50-inch bar clamp. It's a parallel bar clamp. You can screw it down like this and it will just continue to tighten up until you can only go so far. That helps to give you an extra grip right in here. When you loosen it up, it just slides back and forth real smooth and goes forward. Now once you get it set, you'll have something in here and it just tightens it down and it will not move. Ideal for whenever you have long pieces of wood that you are trying to put together or a larger stack, and you can just stick them all in there and hold it together and glue it down all at once instead of doing multiple trips.